Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate through the GrooveArt resource from the University of Oxford Press Collection. Now that you have signed in to access this resource, you should find yourself on a page like this. The GrooveArt resource includes over 200,000 articles, as well as over 19,000 images in relation to works of art, structures and artist signatures. If you scroll down the page, you may notice a section saying July 2022 update, where I'll tell you in a paragraph how many new articles have been published, as well as how many articles have been revised. Of course, this particular section will be updated monthly. If you scroll down further, you will come across some useful guides. The Collection Guides presents a tour of unique art collections around the world, as well as informing the reader of where they can be located. The GrooveArt Pronunciation Guide provides you with audio recordings of how to pronounce the names of modern and contemporary artists. The Latin Art section is where GrooveArt will continue to revise and expand its content on Latin American art and architecture. If you scroll back up to the top of the page, you will find a menu tab on the left side of the screen, opposite the search engine. If you click Highlight the Field tab, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a list of options to choose from, such as African art, American art, contemporary art, Greek Roman art, to name but a few. If you click Highlight the Medium tab, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a list of subjects to choose from, such as archaeology, art education, ceramics and pottery, film and video, to name but a few. If you click Highlight the Era tab, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a list of centuries to choose from the 1300s to the 1400s, 1800s to the 1900s, etc. If you click Highlight the Region tab, a drop-down menu will appear giving you a list of continents to choose from, such as Africa, Asia, Europe, etc. But to see what kind of overall content is available for you to access, however, we will simply click on the Advanced Search button, which can be found next to the search engine. You should now find yourself on a results page like this. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the Advanced Search menu. Just scroll down that menu until you come across the Availability section. To see what articles and images are available for you to access, just simply click on the Available and Free options, and then finally click on the Update button below. You'll now be taken back to the top of the results page, and you may notice that some of the results will have changed on screen. Now for the next example, we'll just click on the top result to be taken to the following page. On this page, you'll be given a still image of the art with a brief description about the art and artist, as well as who took the photograph of the art and where it can currently be found. If you go back to the results page and click on the next result, which is an article, you'll be taken to that article, which you can read in full text format like so. If you scroll up to the top of this article, you also have the option to read it in a PDF format. Just simply click on the PDF icon, which is located on the right side of the screen just underneath the search engine.